Ever slam your desk after a clutch loss and watch your monitor wobble? Been there. Today we're fixing the shaky cable chaos setup with 20 Amazon gaming desks that feel premium on a real-world budget. RGB, shelves, power hubs, even sit-stand frames. Stick around, because one pick near the top hides every wire in seconds and another turns your desk into the PC case itself. Let's dive in. 1. Eureka Ergonomic Gaming Desk with LED Lights. If you want a big, budget-friendly command center, this 60-inch Eureka desk delivers space without feeling flimsy. The carbon fiber style top gives you a smooth, gaming-ready surface, and the Z-shaped frame is built for serious stability. It's designed to handle a full setup, dual monitors, tower, speakers, while keeping the vibe clean with built-in LED lighting. The best part is the heavy-duty load rating, so your desk won't wobble when the action gets intense. 2. Eureka Ergonomic Aero 72-inch gaming desk with keyboard tray plus LED. This is the streamer desk style pick, wide, wing-shaped, and built for long sessions. The pull-out keyboard tray helps reduce wrist strain, and you get a dedicated mouse surface plus a full extended desk mat to cover your work area. It's made for multi-monitor gaming, content creation, and all-day productivity, with a layout that keeps your gear within easy reach. If you want comfort, space, and a clean setup without adding tons of extras, this one nails it. 3. Sedita L-shaped gaming desk with LED lights plus hutch plus drawers. Sedita goes heavy on all-in-one setup, which is exactly what many gamers need. You're getting an L-shaped layout with LED lighting, storage shelves, and drawers to keep controllers, cables, and random desk clutter under control. It even includes add-ons like a monitor stand, pegboard, hooks, and a CPU spot, so your desktop stays open for gameplay. The reversible design is a big win too, letting you fit it into different room layouts without sacrificing space. 4. Respawn 1063 Gaming Desk with Cable Management. This one is built for players who want a clean, tournament-style surface. The 63-inch width gives you room for an ultra-wide or dual-monitor setup, and the full-surface desk mousepad covers the entire top for consistent tracking. The pad is thick and designed to stay in place, while cable management features help keep wires from turning into a mess. If you like big mouse sweeps in FPS games and hate desk clutter, the 1063 is a strong, practical choice. 5. Cooler Master GD120 A1 ARGB 30th Anniversary PC Gaming Desk. Cooler Master built this desk for compact battle stations that still feel premium. It's sized to fit smaller rooms, but adds smart ARGB ambient lighting to instantly upgrade your setup atmosphere. The desk focuses on durability with a high weight capacity, plus a rear tray that hides cables and power bricks so the top stays clean. You also get protective metal finishing and a rear support bar that's friendly to monitor mounts. It's a slick, minimal space, maximum vibe option. 6. Erosi Arena Gaming Desk. The Arena is famous for one reason: pure surface space. It's wide and deep enough to wrap you in a triple monitor setup, and the full-surface desk mat gives you smooth mouse control across the entire workstation. The microfiber mat is water-resistant, so quick spills don't instantly ruin your session. It's also built to stay stable with adjustable feet, and the overall shape is designed for immersive positioning. If you want that pro gaming desk feel, this is a classic winner. 7. Erosi Arena Special Edition Ultra-Wide Curved Gaming Desk. This special edition version keeps the Arena's huge footprint, but adds a curved ultra-wide layout that feels more cockpit than rectangle. You still get the full-surface water-resistant desk mat, plus monitor mount cutouts that make multi-screen setups easier to position cleanly. The cable management approach is built into the desk design, so you can route wires neatly instead of letting them hang everywhere. And if you care about aesthetics, the Sakura finish makes your whole room look custom-built, not just functional. 8. Erosi Arena Angelo L-shaped Standing Desk. If you want L-shaped space plus sit-stand flexibility, the Arena Angelo is the upgrade path. It's built around an ultra-wide curved layout that fits serious gaming gear, and the full-coverage microfiber desk pad keeps mouse movement consistent across the entire surface. The mat is designed to lock in place with a non-slip base, so it doesn't shift during fast play. This is ideal for gamers who edit, stream, or work at the same desk, because standing breaks can make long sessions feel way easier. 9. HL Direct 47-inch Gaming Desk. This is a strong starter desk that still looks like a gaming setup. The 47 by 23.6-inch surface fits a clean dual monitor build, and the frame is designed to stay stable while also supporting monitor arms. You get RGB lighting to set the mood, plus a cable manager to keep wires from taking over your desktop. The carbon fiber style top is scratch-resistant for daily use, and it includes practical extras like a cup holder and headphone hook. Small details that make a big difference. 10. ODK 55 Gaming Desk. ODK packs a lot into a mid-sized desk, making it perfect for budget gamers who want features built in. The monitor stand helps you set screens at a better height, while the LED lighting brings that late-night gaming vibe instantly. It also includes built-in charging, so your phone, headset, or controller stays powered without extra clutter. Add the reversible PC shelves and a headphone hook, and you've got a desk that keeps your whole station organized. It's a practical upgrade that looks premium on camera. 11. ODK 48-inch gaming desk with LED lights and power outlets. ODK's 48-inch desk is made for tight rooms, but still feels like a real battle station. You get a full monitor stand that can hold 2 screens or a laptop, plus built-in LED lighting to set the mood. It also adds practical upgrades, built-in charging, a reversible PC shelf, and a headphone hook, so your essentials stay within reach. The metal frame, thick top, and added crossbar help keep things steady during intense play, and assembly is designed to be quick. 12. ODK 48-inch gaming desk with USB charging ports and LED lights. This ODK desk is a smart pick if you want an L-shaped setup without losing the budget vibe. The built-in power system is the headline feature. You get 3 power outlets and 2 USB charging ports, making it easy to keep your phone, headset, controller, and accessories powered up. The reversible corner layout helps it fit different room shapes, and the included hook adds extra storage without eating desk space. It's a clean, practical upgrade for gaming and work from home. 13. ODK L-shaped gaming desk with LED lights and power outlets. ODK's 51-inch L-shaped desk is all about maximizing usable space and keeping your setup comfortable. The full monitor stand lifts screens for better posture and opens up room underneath for gear. You also get gamer-friendly extras like a cup holder and headphone hook, plus built-in power and LED lighting to keep the station tidy and on theme. The L shape gives you 2 zones, one for gameplay, one for streaming, editing, or notes, without needing a massive room. 14. Bestier Gaming Desk with LED Lights. If you love storage, this Bestier 51.3-inch desk is basically a mini setup hub. The standout is the 4-tier reversible shelving, letting you build vertical organization for a PC, consoles, speakers, or collectibles, whatever fits your style. It also includes LED lighting for that gaming room glow, plus a side storage bag and hooks to keep cables and accessories from taking over the desktop. The adjustable shelf adds flexibility, making this a great pick for gamers who hate clutter. 15. Bestier Gaming Desk with LED Lights. This Bestier 44-inch desk is a strong choice when you want the gaming look without sacrificing floor space. The built-in LED lighting gives you 7 color options and 20 dynamic modes, so your setup instantly looks more pro on camera. It also includes reversible storage shelves plus a side storage bag, helping you keep your tower, controllers, and cables organized instead of piled up. For dorm rooms and compact bedrooms, this is a clean upgrade that still feels feature-packed. 16. Bestier 51-inch L-shaped gaming desk with power outlets and LED lights. Bestier's 51-inch L-shaped desk is designed for gamers who want space, storage, and built-in convenience in one footprint. You get a reversible corner layout, LED lighting for atmosphere, and a built-in power setup so charging gear doesn't require extra adapters all over the floor. The 4-tier shelves give you a dedicated home for a PC tower, consoles, or display items, while the hooks and cup holder keep daily essentials off the main surface. It's a solid, everything-in-reach workstation. 17. Bestier Flow Vibe Corner Desk with Music Sync Light. This one is built for gamers who want their desk to feel alive. Bestier's Flow Vibe adds music sync lighting, so the LEDs can move with your audio for a more immersive setup vibe. It's an L-shaped 42-inch desk designed for small spaces, but it still packs in a monitor stand, dedicated storage for a PS5, cup holders, and headset hooks. You also get built-in USB power, plus a scratch-resistant surface, making it great for both gaming and daily use. 18. Mr. Ironstone L-shaped gaming desk. Mr. Ironstone is a classic budget-friendly pick for a reason. It's built to feel sturdy. The 51-inch L-shaped layout gives you room for a multi-monitor setup, and the large monitor stand helps keep screens up at a more comfortable height. It uses a thickened metal frame with P2 MDF, and the X-shaped legs are designed to handle up to 350 pounds without wobbling. It's also aimed at easy assembly, which is perfect if you want results fast without a headache. 19. Mr. Ironstone L-shaped desk with outlets and USB ports. This Mr. Ironstone desk is perfect when you want built-in charging but don't want to pay premium prices. It includes 2 power outlets and 2 USB charging ports, so you can keep your phone, headset, controller dock, and accessories powered without extra power strips. The reversible 47-inch L shape fits small rooms well, and it adds a storage bag plus a hook to keep gear organized. Even the long power cord helps with flexible placement, great for clean cable routing. 20. Acrylic 71-inch L-shaped electric standing desk. If you want a serious upgrade, the Acrylic 71-inch L-shaped desk brings sit-stand flexibility to a full-size gaming layout. It's an electric adjustable height desk with an ergonomic range designed to move from roughly 28.3 inches up to 46 inches, so you can switch positions during long sessions. The big 71-inch surface gives you true multi-monitor space, and the reversible L-shape helps you fit it into different room layouts. With an alloy steel frame, it's built for stability while you game or work. And that's our roundup of 20 Amazon gaming desks that upgrade your setup without blowing your budget. More space, cleaner cables, steadier frames, and features that actually matter in real play. If you found a desk that fits your room and your style, drop its number in the comments so everyone can compare notes. If this video helped, hit like, share it with a friend building a setup, and subscribe for more gear picks.